What a nice tree! Some rock will open my stomach. Oh my god, this must be one of the stupidest things I have ever done. I was afraid that some rock will open my stomach. Oh my god. Unbelievable. Oh my god. Unbelievable. Put the right jacket on. Oh my. Holy shit, this is quite dangerous. I don't want to fall. If I fall, I can die. The current is very strong, as you can see. But so is the force. Holy shit, this is so dangerous, and all this water moving makes me dizzy. How will I turn now? Will I come back? Holy shit, I'm getting really dizzy. I cannot orientate with all this moving water. I just had to break this branch. I'm sorry, the tree. Otherwise I wouldn't be able to cross. Oh my god, what an experience.